Now, to distinguish if you're going to use sine or cosine for this question, we can only use sine if we have an angle and a side across from each other, and we know both. We have to know the side and angle across from each other. In this case, we do not have this scenario. We do not have angle A. We do have side A. We don't. We have side C, but we do not have angle C. And the only angle we do have is B, but we do not have side B. In this case, we have to use cosine rule. Cosine rule is in the formula. There's two different formulas in the formula book. The first one we use to find the side. The second one we use to find the angle. In theory, these are the same formulas. We just rearrange them. So since we're trying to find length AC, that's a side, we're going to use this first form of cosine rule. For a squared and b squared, these are the two sides that we know that are beside the angle. So first side is 7 squared plus 11 squared minus 2 times a and b, which are two sides, a times b, times the cosine of c. C is the angle in between both of them, so 64. Using the numeric solver, I found out that the distance between a and c is 10.1, rounded to three significant figures, so 10.1 centimeters. Now for part B, we want to find the size of angle BAC. BAC, this angle here. Now we can use sine rule since we have an angle and a side across from each other. We can use sine rule. So first thing I want to include is the angle I'm looking for. I'm looking for this angle, so I'm going to use this side, 11. So the side, 11, divided by the angle across from it, sine of A, so 11 divided by the sine of A, we're solving for A, is equal to, we have to use a side and angle that we know. We have side 10.1 for B, and angle across from it is 64, so sine of 64. So 10.1 divided by the sine of 64, use numeric solver, and I found out that the angle of A is 78.2. So 78.2 degrees rounded to three significant figures.